Now we will solve example on potentiometer. See here, what are the words? Potentiometer wire of length 4 meter, having resistance 8 ohm. We have denoted the resistance of wire RW. 8 ohm. When connected with battery or when connected with accumulator, battery or accumulator is a series of cells having larger PD, larger EMF. When this wire is connected with a accumulator having EMF 8 volt and internal resistance 2 ohm. Okay. Calculate potential gradient. Also calculate the balancing length for cell having EMF 3.2 volt. Two things. First we have to calculate potential gradient and then we have to calculate the balancing length for cell having EMF 3.2 volt. Okay. Again they have asked that. Also calculate the internal resistance of that cell. When that cell was shunted by resistance 5 ohm, the balancing length was found to be 70 centimeter. So three things we have to calculate in this example. Again I am repeating. Potentiometer wire of length 4 meter has resistance 8 ohm, is connected with battery or accumulator having EMF 8 volt and internal resistance 2 ohm. Calculate potential gradient, that is potential difference per unit length. Also calculate balancing length for cell having EMF 3.2 volt. Okay. Also calculate its internal resistance. And what is given? When that cell is shunted by 5 ohm, the balancing length was found to be 70 centimeter. That is the all given quantities. We will solve by the steps. First step. We have to calculate constant current in the potentiometer wire. What was the formula given? That is the battery EMF ES, wire resistance plus some resistance in rheostat plus internal resistance of that battery. Okay. So substitute the values here. What is ES? 8 ohm. Wire resistance 8 ohm. Rheostat. About the rheostat they have said nothing. So rheostat is not connected. So this resistance take 0. RS, that is internal resistance 2 ohm. So that is 8 upon 10 ampere. So that is a constant current. Now potential, second thing, potential difference between point A and B. Important formula, current into resistance. Resistance should be taken from A to B. Current, what is current value? 8 upon 10. And what is resistance from A to B? Full wire resistance 8. So 64 upon 10, that is the volt. Potential difference. Third thing, potential gradient K, which is nothing but the potential difference per unit length. So 64 upon 10 and we have to divide it by length. What is its length? 4 meter. So 16 upon 10, 1.6 volt per meter. Potential difference per unit length. How much? 1.6 volt per meter. Fourth thing. So we have obtained a potential gradient here. Now what we want to find? Balancing length for cell. What is the value? E1 we write as a KL1, isn't it? So this is 3.2 upon K. K value is 1.6, that is equal to L1. So it is 2 meter length. So second thing we have calculated, balancing length for that cell. Third thing, what do you want to find? Internal resistance. Do you remember the formula for internal resistance? That the K2 key was pressed and from resistance box we have drawn the resistance R. Okay. Without closing the K2 key, the cell EMF was balancing. L2 is the balancing length when K2 key is pressed -1. That is the formula. Substitute all these value. What is the shunt resistance connected here? रेजिस्टन्स 8 ओम आहे, रेजिस्टन्स 2 ओम आहे, इथं आणखी काय, इथं 0 ओम घेतलाय. प्रत्येकासाठी नोटेशन थोडंसं वेगळं वापरल्यामुळे काय अडचण येणार नाही. व्हॉट इज धिस रेजिस्टन्स आर? 8 ओम वापरायचा का, 2 ओम वापरायचा का? नाही. कोणता? व्हॉट वॉज द शंट रेजिस्टन्स विच वॉज कनेक्टेड पॅरलल टू दॅट सेल? किती वापरलेला होता? 5 ओम. सो दिस इज 5. What is the balancing length of that cell when it was not shunted? That is K2 key was open. मग हे प्रिव्हियस मध्ये आपण इथं बॅलन्सिंग लेंथ काढलेली आहे. किती आहे? 2 मीटर. L2. What is balancing length? They have given 70 centimeter. So it is 0.7 minus 1. Do this calculation and find the internal resistance of that cell. Okay. So this is the process. First thing, find the constant current by using this equation. ES, that is the EMF of accumulator. RW, that is the wire resistance. R dash is some resistance that can be connected in series. RS, that is the internal resistance of that battery. First thing, then find potential gradient and then find what you have asked by using formula. Okay, very simple examples are there for potentiometer. Thank you.